everybody. Welcome back to Samara Builds, where I'm building a better life. Now, some of these videos I talk about like how I'm building a better life in a mental way and a philosophical way. Sometimes I'm actually building stuff and I'm just gearing up to get back into my building stuff phase. It's time to do the rest of the basement, people, because I did my bedroom and I love it. And now it's on to the rest of it. And it is overwhelming to say the least. It's, I have a lot of work ahead of me, which is exciting. And I don't know what I'm doing. So I still am learning so much. Whew. Like it's so, I don't know about you guys, but if I have a big task ahead of me, it's so easy to get overwhelmed just thinking about everything that I have to do. And I have a lot to do. And I'm just going to tackle this one step at a time. And I'm going to bring you guys along. So you're going to come with me step by step. I'm starting by just cleaning it up because it is a shit show. It really is. Because when we moved in, we just kind of threw all the stuff that didn't have like a set place. Like literally just like piled it in the basement because it's not a finished basement. It's cement floor, cement walls. It does have like a carpet on the ground, just like laid down. And so it's very disorganized. And especially as I've like worked on my bedroom, I've had to move stuff around and like then I had to take my carpet out and then I had to get it put back in. So it's just been a very flux space with a lot going on. So I'm just going to start by cleaning and organizing. And that's what I'm showing you, which is like not exciting. It's not building. But I think, especially in our society of like videos that are sped up 1,000 times the speed and, you see before and afters. I don't know about you, but when I see stuff like that, I just think like, oh, well, I'm not moving fast enough. It's so easy to compare myself to those sped up things and those edited things. And so I'm going to just really show you guys the mess step by step. And I want your advice throughout it. I'm going to need help. I'm going to have other people helping me. And I'm obviously going to be doing a lot of other videos in between as well, where I'm interviewing people and talking about other aspects of my life and how I'm building my life in different ways. But I'm really excited about this. And so here's the start of my journey. Here I go trying to organize the chaos that is the basement. As you can see, I have a lot of work ahead of me. And so right now I'm just moving things around, trying to get it in a more cohesive way that I can at least move around the basement better and have things put in certain places so they can be put away rather than just on top of each other. Okay, I'm clearly not ready for the day. This is how I let my hair dry sometimes, whatever. But it's a big task because, like I said, things have just piled up and it's just been insane. And so I feel really overwhelmed when I think about it. So I'm just doing one task at a time. Right now I'm doing these shelves behind me. And I know it's going to create more of a mess in other parts of the basement right now, but that's okay. It's all part of the process. That's what I have to keep reminding myself so I don't go crazy. One thing at a time. I know it's going to be a big, huge mess, even bigger than it is right now, before the basement is done. This is just step one, and it feels good to actually just get started, and so that's what I'm reminding myself. We can do hard things, we can make messes, and that's okay. Here we go. So like I said, I'm just hitting these shelves first. I'm taking everything off and putting things in piles of like things to go to the thrift store or crafts over here, things I use for the house over here, just trying to get it more organized. And I can go through my system of how I organize things. I actually do like to organize things. Let me know if that's something that you guys want to see. This is my twin sister, Sarah. my best friend. She came to help. Good thing we have friends who help us. But for real, I'm not going to be able to do this basement without her and my other friends to help. So I'm glad she came along to help. Once again, we're just trying to get things organized in a way that looks a lot better, feels a lot better, and get rid of anything that we don't need. So that's what we're doing right now. As for the rest of the basement, just trying to get things put in a way that makes more sense, looks better, feels better, get it clean and tidy. And again, just getting rid of anything we don't need. I have taken so much stuff to the thrift store, and I know I'm going to keep taking more. It just feels good to get this space finally cleaned up. Okay, as you can tell, I didn't get the basement perfect. It's not Pinterest worthy afterwards. And to be honest, it's probably never going to be. Like, I'm so proud of my bedroom and how it turned out, but it's definitely not perfect. Like, I think I would have to build something from the ground up to really make it like that. I don't even know. Is perfect actually attainable? No. But it looks so much better in the basement. It just like feels better. I took loads of stuff to the thrift store that I didn't even like fully show you guys. And, you know, my sister helped and we vacuumed, and now it's a space that you can walk through and not be worried about what you're going to step on or run into. And that already feels a lot better. Like I'm saying, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be finished. It doesn't have to be wonderful, just to make some steps to make your space feel better for yourself. Just clean. Cleaning's huge. And I know it's overwhelming, especially like if you're depressed or like going through an episode where it can be hard for you just to make your own bed. Ask for help. Like, people want to help you. People love you. I don't know. Maybe I'm a weirdo, but I actually like cleaning other people's spaces more than I like cleaning my own. Like, if I get to go clean out someone's closet, I'm stoked about it. But for me to like put away my own laundry, sometimes it's like too darn much to ask. So ask for help. Let's improve our spaces to help improve our mental health, to help make our whole lives better. I know it just seems like so like this one step will change your life. I'm not saying that, but this one step can help you feel better. So let's start with one step. Let's go from there. I'm going to keep you guys on this ride. So let's do it. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not, my heart's with you. Bye.